Welcome to another episode of Practical Astrology for You. I am your friend Tapan. Today I will be speaking about the second house, the significance of second house, and what second house denotes. And I will be quoting my own horoscope as an example kundli at the end of the video. So, second house stands for the Dharmasthan or the place of worship. It also has the portfolio of wealth, education, honor and mind. This is the house that stands for the fruits of the karmas or the deeds of and misdeeds of the native. Here it is the seat of Jupiter, the guru or the proprietor of the world at large. Ninth house is considered to the ocean of karmas. It is from ninth house that the winds laden with the water of the karmas rise and pour it on the second house. For good results of second house, the eighth house should be vacant or unoccupied. Results are likely to be better if second house is also vacant. This may appear strange, but everything becomes clear if we go through the assumption of the Lal Kitaab. If house number 2, 6 and 8 are also occupied, the poisons of the 8th house shall be transferred to 6th house through the agencies of the aspect of the planets in 2nd house. House number 2 and 8 are also both vacant. There is no question of compounding the troubles of the 6th house. House number 2 gets the strength from the 4th house. Wherever there is a severe onslaught of misfortunes from 9th house due to the weakness of Dharmasthan or the Jagadguru or Venus. 4th house comes to rescue. In times of adversaries, we should look towards the strength of the 4th house. Its Lord, the natural significator or Karaka, Moon, who stands for mother as well as mortality and mind. Perhaps mother's blessing may help the native tide over his or her difficulties. So it happens, when my horoscope, Mercury is positioned in the 2nd house. It is the lord of the 3rd house and the 6th house, since my ascendant is Aries. So when Mercury Mahadasha started, I became an astrologer by default. I didn't knew the importance of 2nd house and anything about. So after I became an astrologer, I started looking for reasons. So I was thinking why my 8th house is getting activated. Actually, it's not my 8th house actually. Means it got activated, that's for sure, but the result of Jupiter started coming out because the 9th house lord is Jupiter. So the Mercury Mahadasha started giving me that result, so I became an astrologer. So it's very clear from Lal Kitab definition. Otherwise, other Vedic astrology definition, if you all follow, then it won't be understood. So basically it said that okay, these are not so good houses. So planets should not be positioned in the 8th house, 6th house, 2nd house. It's always better. But if someone has, then he can conclude that okay, these type of results will come from it. So I think now we all will be understanding, because the 9th house result comes from 2nd house. This is the correlation actually. Thank you.